All right, guys, check this out. Here's the Back to the Future remote control car. And underneath here is a USB where you just plug the USB in and go at it. That's so awesome, dude. This is like the coolest toy for the 40th anniversary of Back to the Future. Oh my god. And so over here, we have this remote control right here. And so that right there allows you to turn the lights on, and you can drive with this with the lights on, and then you just steer with this. Oh my god. And the batteries were already on in here, and I just pulled the little tab and it activated the batteries. Dude, Jade, whoever designed this thing, y'all need to give that mother effer a raise, because he deserves. Dude, it'd be cool to have this light up. This right here, that right there, the eights. That'd be cool to have that light up. So down there. So if you tap that button that shows you, it turns the lights on. You can drive with that, or you can drive without it, and then you steer with the right. It works really, really good on carpet, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, oh my god. Too bad it can't back up with it. That'd be cool. That would be cool. So dude, I might have to buy this for my nephews for their birthday and Christmas. Dude, it works really, really good on carpet. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I wanted to put batteries in, dude. I did not have to put batteries in, dude. Jade, whoever thought of putting a USB for the charger to plug into a computer or something to charge it? Dude, whoever designed this, like I said, needs a damn raise. Because this is the future. To put a USB instead of batteries, dude, by far the coolest toy of 2026. I'm going to have to order like 4 of these, so I can have like Back to the Future races with my nephews. Oh my god. Yes, yes. I'm gonna have to order 3 so we can all race. because Clary's 4 now. She could probably hold this. It's really tiny. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. And guys, guess what? They have the other one that after he comes back from the future and it's all iced over, they actually made that. And it has like a metallic finish or whatever on it. And it comes out of the truck and everything, dude. I might have to get that one too. Dude, that's by far the coolest toy I've ever seen. That's so awesome, dude. Oh my god. Back to the Future. Dude, that'd be cool to have to like shoot sparks or whatever. Oh my god. Yes, dude, I have to order like 100 of these. So cool. But anyway, guys, this is the 40th anniversary of Back to the Future remote control car from Jade. Go get this if y'all do not have this. They had one in stock at the Target that I was at. So I'm about to order like 2 more of these and get the other one. Dude, that's by far the coolest toy for a kid and for me, for a 42-year-old. You can't ask for much better than that. Back to the Future. And I am making a huge Back to the Future video with all my collection stuff that I've been collecting over the years, including I still have my laser disc from Back to the Future on laser disc. So I'm working on that video too, but this is too cool not to show off. And then you just turn it off, dude. Just turn it off. So awesome, dude. So awesome.